Hi everyone, my name is Marcus and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be covering the microphone situation on the Media Mod using the GoPro Hero 12. Finally, we have a new feature that was not discussed on launch day, and that is the ability to finally record on the front mic and back mic of the Media Mod at the same time. Let's take a look at the issue and do some audio samples so we can understand what a difference this makes in the recordings using the Media Mod. One of the most annoying things that I've experienced with the GoPro 9, 10, and 11 is that when I would use the Media Mod with those cameras and I would set the microphone, I would be able to set it to the front microphone or the back microphone, but not both. So it would result in situations like this. Right now I'm talking in front of the camera, I've got it all set up, things are great, but then somebody comes up to me and is talking from behind the camera, and here's what they end up sounding like when they walk to the back of the camera. So right now I am on the back of the camera talking normally and at the same audio level as before, but we only have the front mic turned on, not the back mic. And then as I walk around to the front of the camera, now we have normal audio again where we can hear what I'm saying without a muffled sound. So often I would switch the camera from front to back because I was walking around a car show and recording cars, but then somebody would approach me and we would enter into a conversation. However, only my voice picked up really well. Anybody in front of the camera did not, because I had the rear mic set up. So now let's go ahead and change the setting to both front and rear mics of the GoPro Media Mod and see what the audio sounds like. With the new GoPro Hero 12 camera, there are now 4 Media Mod settings: camera mics, back mic, front mic, and the all-new front and back mic. So now I have the GoPro Hero 12 set to front and back mics for the Media Mod. So now as I walk around the GoPro Hero 12 and continue talking, we can hear my voice whether I'm in front of the camera or in back of the camera. So no longer when I'm out recording will I end up going home and realizing that I forgot to switch from the front mic to the back mic, which ruined the clips that I was recording with the camera. It doesn't matter where I'm standing, whether it be to the side or to the rear or to the front, you'll be able to hear my voice. I can finally hold conversations with other people, and you'll be able to hear the audio from those conversations. So this is a feature that was not mentioned on release day. None of the reviewers that I watched mentioned this ability. So this is a reason that you might consider purchasing the GoPro Hero 12. If you're a GoPro Media Mod user, it finally gives you the ability to use the front and back mic at the very same time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up.